how to use nature as a teacher in your school environment. Equip your classroom with boxes of loose parts from nature. They could be sticks, they could be pebbles, rocks, leaves, seeds, cones. Just remember all these to be from the ground floor instead of cutting it from the trees, because nature uses everything. So we take a few things out of the places we visit, okay? Another one is use natural material in the classroom for decorations. If your classroom has a balcony, plant some seeds in pots and with the children, take care of them, see them grow. Have a playlist of nature sounds in the classroom's music collection. Create a link between the arts and nature. Use art-based stimuli-related activities to nature. Equip your classroom with books about trees, about insects, about plants and animals. Choose paintings that depict elements of nature in different ways and let the children get inspired. With your group of children, discover and listen to music inspired by natural phenomena, sounds, the seasons. Make sure you take advantage of every opportunity, always in consultation with the school administrator, to play with your group of children outside the classroom. It could be the yard, it could be the balcony, even outside the school, a nearby park, groves, beaches, hills, forest if you can. In the open spaces of the school, every day, observe the sky. Observe the changes of the weather, the birds that might come and visit, the insects, the animals, how the trees and the plants change. Listen for different sounds caused by rain, by winds, storms. Make an everyday habit out of listening, smelling, observing the natural world around you. You and your group are always part of it. Do some of the things that you feel more comfortable with. Start with the small changes in your classroom, in your everyday life. Find what feels good for you. Start from there and then get inspired and talk with your colleagues and find together what you can do to connect with nature more. Remember that we are part of the greater picture, which is humans and non-humans living on this earth. Get inspired, have fun, see you out there. Thank you.